Welcome to my review of Xverify. If you've ever faced issues with email bounces or poor deliverability rates, you know how frustrating it can be. That's where Xverify comes in. This email verification tool helps businesses clean their email lists, ensuring only valid and deliverable addresses are used for marketing campaigns. By detecting spam traps, disposable emails, and invalid addresses, Xverify improves the quality of your email list and boosts engagement. Xverify offers bulk email verification, allowing you to upload your email lists and clean them quickly and accurately. It also provides real-time email verification via API, which is perfect for businesses looking to verify emails at the point of entry. This is especially useful for lead generation or sign-up forms on websites. One of the standout features of Xverify is its accuracy. It uses advanced algorithms and proprietary technology to ensure that the email verification process is thorough and reliable. The system checks emails against a large database of known invalid addresses, ensuring your list remains clean and up-to-date. Now, you might be wondering about costs. Xverify's pricing is flexible, with both pay-as-you-go and subscription plans available. The pay-as-you-go option is ideal for businesses that need to clean their lists occasionally, while the subscription model suits businesses with frequent email list management needs. They also offer a free trial, so you can test out the service before committing. However, there are a couple of limitations to be aware of. While Xverify provides highly accurate verification, it does not offer in-depth analytics or advanced reporting features that some competitors may offer. It's more of a straightforward tool for cleaning and validating email lists. Also, the API integration, while functional, may require some technical knowledge to set up properly, which could be a barrier for some users. In the middle of your email management journey, you might also want to check out Clean Email, an email organizer that helps you clean up your inbox and automate repetitive tasks. It's a great tool for managing emails beyond verification, and you can check it out by following the link in the description. In conclusion, Xverify is a solid tool for businesses looking to improve their email deliverability and clean their email lists. It's fast, reliable, and easy to use, but it may lack some advanced features found in other email verification platforms. If you're ready to clean up your email list and boost your email marketing campaigns, Xverify is worth considering. Make sure to like this video if you found the information helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this.